sweating just from brushing her. Because she shed a small dog. Yeah. Okay, now we got her in the tub. She's happy for now. She's really not. She doesn't like this part. She pretends like she doesn't like it, but she likes being scrubbed. Don't you? Yes, yes you do.
I thought you were gonna have a talk with her.
Okay. Hey, hey. Okay, you ready? We're gonna give you a bath. We're gonna need you to cooperate with us. Even though we know you don't like it. Okay, you gonna cooperate? This is what we need from you. We need you to be good, and then we'll give you a treat when the bath's over. Okay? Almost done. I think I got just as much of a bath as she did, but we just gotta get her dried off and she'll be happy. She likes being dried off the most, I think. But we got lots of fur. Yeah. Not including the stuff outside. There's quite a bit outside, so. See, she likes this part. Are you going to dry me off when we're done? Got just as much water as you, silly. Yeah, you were so good. She didn't even growl at us. It's a workout. This is my workout for today. You ready to go see Paul and Graham?
Unleash the beast.
Go on, go.